Budget 2026 will invest in our future while securing the jobs, prosperity and stability of today. It will tackle the serious challenges of meeting our housing and investment needs. At the same time, we are preparing for tomorrow. This budget builds up our resilience and will help us to adapt at a time of historic challenge and change for our economy and our society. This budget is the first of this government's term. We will continue to deliver for our citizens over the course of the next 4 budgets and in the years ahead. Ceann Comhairle, our economy has proven to be remarkably resilient. And this is due to the transformation of our country in recent decades. There are 2.8 million people at work in Ireland today, more than lived here in 1961. People are also living longer and healthier lives than ever before. Life expectancy today is 83 years of age, 10 years above expectations just 4 decades ago. The number of adults with a third-level qualification has tripled in a generation. And we've also made huge progress in restoring our public finances to health. Our debt ratio is moving in the right direction and has almost halved since I delivered my first budget to the House in 2016. Ceann Comhairle, while we should reflect on this progress, of which I believe we can be proud, we also clearly understand that not everyone feels the benefit of this in their daily lives. For many, concerns about their cost of living, about access to a home, remain paramount. To make the case for progress we have made is also to acknowledge that we need to achieve more. And we need to achieve more in a world that is dramatically changing. Ceann Comhairle, the certainties that have underpinned our transformation as a country are now being called into question. Uncertainty is the defining feature of the economy of the world this year. While the international order has been shifting for over a decade, this year saw greater fragmentation as widespread tariffs were introduced. The world has been pulling away from its near universal commitment to free and open trade, a commitment that benefited many. And our fortunes are connected to the world around us. Peace and partnership have been the drivers of our economic and social progress in recent years, and Ireland will always be a global voice for and champion of cooperation and trade.